Okay everyone, this time I will cook sunnyside eggs with the boiled salad for lunch and check it out to processing cooking. Okay, first step is red cabbage for ingredients, pak choy, and regular cabbage, broccoli, and this is very important, sesame oil is very important for make a salad, and don't forget to black salt and black pepper. Okay, next step, we must cut all vegetable for easy cooking in the pan. After cut all vegetable, we have to cleaning all vegetable with the pure water. Okay, after cleaning all vegetables, we have to put it in the pan with the hot water, and after all put in, we have to wait maybe 10 minutes or 9 minutes to boil the salad. Okay, after the vegetable in the hot water, we have to must add black pepper and salt, and last we have to add sesame oil for the seasoning the salad. And finish sunnyside egg with the boiled salad, ready to eat to lunch.